come here behind me. Who's over there? Who is that?
Oh yeah, we got him.
What's this bush?
Yeah. Over there. Mason, look into the back bush. If that's not our teammate, shoot him. Stick your head up. Oh, we got someone deep. Am I good to hear?
Oh, there's someone deep in there to the left.
Yeah. Your head. I don't know who's left. But come up. Hey, Cole, move up here, stay low. Move up, stay low. Quick. Okay, I want you to stay here, and you keep an eye on them. And I'm gonna take Crystal, and we're gonna go around and take them out. Crystal, actually you stay here, and you just keep an eye on them, and you just keep, there's just one I see right now. But I'm gonna take Tristan Wyatt, we're gonna go around, and we're gonna take them out from the side. Okay? You just stay with Cole, and hold that position. Come with me, Wyatt. We're gonna start moving up more hard path. I know. I don't have much ammo left. I've got 10 shots. No, don't worry. Let's take their team base. I see one, but those bales coming closer. Coming closer. There he is. You see him? You see him?
No.
Peek your head up right now.
Oh, there, I see him.
How many?
One.
Just one? Wyatt, you want to continuously shoot at him and I'll run up there? You want to just continuously shoot at him and I'll run up there?
He's in the bush over there.
Can you just shoot at him? Shoot at him endlessly. Okay? Start shooting and don't stop. Yeah, hold your fire. You hit? Okay, hold your fire. Yeah, just keep your gun up. Good fight. Oh, you have a lot of left? Okay, don't worry about it. Yeah.